Jessica, here I am.
Come join me on a St. Clair and Casa Loma food and walking tour with delicious discovery. I had an awesome experience, so come and see how it was.
Like, let's jump in here.
I mean, please. That's the spiciest, the green sauce. I think this is medium, and this is the
This is verde.
spicy. There are little cups too, if you wanted to just take some in a cup. Up to you. It's so different. So quiet, right? So you guys might have heard about the laneway housing in Toronto, right? I
Yes.
think they changed the laws just during the pandemic.
Yeah, they're allowing it a lot more now.
So here's our first example of a laneway home.
Oh.
Or, I mean, I don't even know. I like how they tried to get some of the green paint, or I don't know if they tried, but they put some of the green paint on the yellow. Maybe that was a mistake.
You know, yeah, the challenge with laneway homes is they're not affordable to rent.
Right.
Are they not?
Probably paying the rent for the area too, right?
But they're like thousands of dollars.
So the tour starts in the St. Clair West neighborhood and ends at Casa Loma, and you get to try 5 different food places, snacks, and to be honest, some of the places that they had, I have been hearing about them, so the fact that I got to go there, I'm so grateful.
One is strawberry blueberry hibiscus tidbits. Popular around holidays, but yeah, it's going really well. We've got sweet fruit pies like this strawberry rhubarb. We do seasonal stuff, so strawberry rhubarb season is.
They've since passed on, but we've been carrying on their tradition. We pretty much use all the recipes that they did. We've tweaked it a little bit, but everything's pretty much original. We make a variety of stuff like, you know, you would move over here. We do like jerk chicken, you know, we do like jerk pork, you know. Curry goat, which I need to replace. I just sold a lot of curry goats this morning. There's stew chicken.
This place is a famous Jamaican spot. I've been hearing about them, so I'm so glad I came.
Yeah.
I always make sure not to get it.
This falafel right here, the best falafel I have tried thus far. It's so fresh on the inside, it's crazy. And if you guys book with me, I'm gonna make sure this tour guide takes you to this spot. This spot, I absolutely love it. Since recording this video, I have gone back there 3 times. So take my recommendation.
You will. Don't worry.
Oh my god, I so want to photo it.
You want it? I'd expect it.
And then we've got a simple vanilla.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I'm gonna give you a little spoiler, Dutch Dreams. This place is a very popular place in Toronto.
Come back here to this tree over here. This is a white oak tree that he estimates has been here for about
This was just a taste of the St. Clair and Casa Loma food and walking tour with delicious discovery. Feel free to check them out at www.deliciousdiscoveries.ca or Delicious Discoveries Canada on social media, or you can reach out to me, Virtual Nomads, on social media. Take care.